Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to display different banner images on desktop and mobile. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click login right here. Enter in your email in this field, and you can also log in using Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This action will redirect you to your Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Online Store, then click Customize. This action will redirect you to the Shopify website editor. In here on the left panel, click on Add Section, then click Image Banner. Next, add any picture you want. I will just choose from the free images Shopify has made available for me. So I'm going to pick this one and then just click on Select down here. Next, I'm just going to click on this arrow icon to go back. And then for the heading, I'm going to type in desktop banner. Next, let's go back and we will add another image banner. So just like what we did earlier, click on Add Section, click Image Banner, then click on it and then add an image. Select an image, then click Select down here. Then go back by clicking on this arrow. And then for the heading of this second image banner, I'm going to type in mobile. Then next, let's go back and then click on the desktop banner. And then let's scroll down to custom CSS down here. Click on this arrow icon to open this section. And then in here, we're going to copy paste this code. After that, let's just go back again and we will do the same thing for the mobile banner. So click on Image Banner, then scroll down and click Custom CSS. Click on the arrow next to it to show this section. Then we're going to paste a different code for this. We're going to paste this code instead. Next, let's scroll up and look for height right here. Click on this drop-down menu and then click on Adapt to First Image. And as you can see, if we click on the desktop and mobile previews up here, so this is the desktop preview. So that's the image for the desktop banner. And then if we click on the mobile banner preview here, you can see that it is showing a different banner image. So lastly, just click on Save up here to save your changes. And that is how you can show different banner images on desktop and mobile. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.